Justin, I just want to say thanks again for singing that song about me earlier. Heartbeat was actually a cute song.
You're welcome, Star Butterfly. That is one of several love songs that describes a lot from me to you.
Or, Justin.
Oh, Star.
Hey guys, who wants to do a burping contest?
A burping contest? What's that?
It's very fun and easy. The person with the loudest burp wins.
Well, despite burps can be disgusting at times, that does sound like fun.
I will give it a try as well.
Okay everyone, to the kitchen. And it doesn't matter who wins. But what matters more is having fun.
That's right, Jake Long. Having fun is the best thing we always do together. Okay, so we all got to orange juice in our cups, which is perfect since orange juice is healthy.
Exactly, Justin. So, who wants to go first?
I will go first. Well, mine was a bit quiet. But oh well. Star Butterfly, you go next.
Alright, here I go. Mine was actually pretty decent. A bit better than yours, Jake. Starlo, let's move to you next.
Well, I don't have any hands, but I will have to be careful. So, here goes nothing. Wow, mine was a bit of an improvement than Jake's and Star's. Jack, let's do you next.
Okay, despite the fact that burps can be a bit gross, I might as well just give it a shot. Wow, mine was loud. Now we must be getting somewhere. Sagwa, your turn.
Okay. I must be the first cat who is going to burp. Wowie, that was loud too.
All that's left is Justin.
Okay, Justin. Show us what you got.
Alright, I think mine might be the loudest. I know I won the belching contest at work. Here I go. Oh, Bob Saget. Whoa, that was really loud.
Wow, nice one, Justin. And also, excuse you.
Actually, excuse all of us.
Hey weasels, what do you think you are doing?
Hey, Morbucks, don't call us weasels. And second, we are having a burping contest.
Really? A burping contest? You guys need to stop. I don't allow burping in my house.
More bucks. You do realize that you don't own this house, right?
I agree with Justin. This is our house, and you are not the boss of us.
Exactly. Star, Justin, and Jack are in charge. Actually, we're all in charge. And you are not in charge.
I don't care. This is my house, my rules, and Justin, your burp was so disgusting. Seriously, brush your teeth.
More bucks. I brush my teeth every day and night, and my breath does not even smell, so no need to be bossy at me.
Yeah, Morbucks. Again, you're not the boss of us.
Morbucks. If you boss all of us one last time, then you are going to get it.
Shut up. All of you guys are grounded for 33 weeks.
Oh, Morbucks, you asked for it now. Dragon up.
Wait, can we talk about this? I just want to know burping.
Well, Morbucks, you're not the boss of us. Star is the boss. And if she wants us to not burp, then we listen to her. But we are not listening to you.
Ouch, 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 ouch.
And because you also tried to grind all of us, I got an extra punishment for you.
You wouldn't.
Come here, you little goody two-shoes.
Ouch, 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 ouch.
There, you are all scratched up. Again.
And more bucks, you are now grounded until we all go hang out with Mark again.
Now go to your room right now. And Sagwa's right. You are a goody two-shoes.
First I got burned by a dragon, now I got my butt owned by a cat.
Wow, good work, Sagwa.
Thanks, Justin.
Hey everyone, how about we now go watch more of the Casa Grandes?
Awesome idea, Jack. we will watch more of my Season 1 DVD I got for my birthday.
I still must admit it's an amazing show.
I agree with you, Jake Long.
Alright everyone, let's go to the living room.
Okay, Star, but first, I have one more thing for you.
Or, I love you, Justin.
I love you too, Star Butterfly.